Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript conditions. Conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Very often when you write code, you want to perform different conditions for different decisions. And in JavaScript we have conditional statements like use if to specify a block of code to be executed, or use else to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. Now let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag type const x equals 9 semicolon, and to the next line I'm gonna type in here if statement, and the syntax is first we type if parenthesis and the code to be executed if this condition is true. So I'm gonna type in here condition say x greater than 9, or let's type in here 10, and then I'm gonna log here correct. Hit save and we get correct because this condition is true because x is greater than 10. So this is a basic syntax of if statements. Now you can use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if condition is false. Let's come in here and type else and parenthesis, and here I'm gonna log wrong. Say if the condition is not true, we will type in the console wrong. Say come in here and type 11, hit save, and we get wrong because this condition returns false. That's why move to this line of code. You can also use another statement, that is else if, to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. Now let's come in here and type else if parenthesis if x is say less than 20, and I'm gonna type in here if x is less than 10, and then type in here final else statement parenthesis, and here I'm gonna log say if the first condition reads if x is less than 10, correct, if x is less than 20, say between 11 and 19, so it gives us wrong, otherwise sorry. So see what we have, hit save, we get wrong because the value is less than 20. And if I come in here type 9, hit save, we get correct. Or if I come in here and type 21, hit save, we get sorry. And that was all about JavaScript conditions. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.